Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this super simple hair look. It takes me less than 10 minutes to do, and the only reason why it takes me 10 minutes to do is because I have super thick hair. So if your hair is not super thick, I'm sure it'll take no more than 5 to 7 minutes. So if you want to get this look, keep watching. So this is how I start off my look. I will get in the shower at night, and then after I get out of the shower, I'll blow dry my hair just a little bit. I'll straighten out my bangs, and then I'll put my hair in a braid. And then in the morning, I take my hair out of a braid, and it tends to look super wavy, like a little too crimpy to wear. And so I will take this bedhead wand and I'll wand the top half of my hair, and then I will brush that out with my fingers and then call it a day. So here we go. So the first thing I'm going to do is separate my hair, and I'm going to tie it on one side to make it easier. I'm going to start on the left side, and I'm going to wrap a small piece of hair around the barrel away from my face. And I'm not super precise on the way that I do this. I just take little sections of my hair and just work my way forward. Also, the barrel shouldn't be on your hair more than a couple seconds. Okay, so a couple things about this wand. It's a bedhead curly pop ceramic wand. It's 1 1/4 inches. It's dual voltage, which is great for traveling. It heats up to 400 degrees, and it comes with a heat protectant glove, but I don't like to use that, so. I think I got this wand on Amazon. I believe it was about $18 to $20, so it's pretty affordable, and I think it works great. So the last thing I like to do is run my fingers through my hair, and then I'll hit it with a little bit of hairspray, and yeah, that's about it. That's as simple as it gets. So that completes this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye! Get this look? Keep watching. If you want to get this look, keep watching. If you want to get this look, keep watching.